this is Shanique Technique. So today I am doing a collaboration with a company called SHEGLAM. Now I have collabed with them once before, so I want to thank them for sending me this line. Now you can also find these products on Shein. All you have to put in the search bar is SHEGLAM and it would pop up. Now this is their Crimson Butterfly line. It is gorgeous and the packaging is phenomenal. Now let's go ahead and start with this eyeshadow. Now this is called the Crimson Butterfly and it's the Cursed Chrysalis palette. Look at this. Looks like a picture frame. Isn't this gorgeous? So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Look at the inside. Now some of this eyeshadow, they have glitter. And then some of them is just your regular pigmented eyeshadow. Very gorgeous. So I'm going to swatch a few. So you have your red and black, which is in glitter. Your black, which is really pigmented. And then gray, like a gray with glitter. And then also your normal gray. And then other colors. And this beautiful red over here. Let's not miss that. So I'm going to go ahead and switch a few. This is the red. This is the red and glitter. This is the black. And then we have the gray with glitter. And then you're just regular gray. Look at that. As you guys can see. Hopefully you can see this. Really cute. Love it. All right, let's move on. Now I'm not going to mention the names because we would be here forever. So let's go ahead with the next item. Now this is the SHEGLAM Monarch Wing Ombre Blush Highlighter. Now I had this blush on last night and also the highlighter and it was gorgeous. Got a lot of compliments on this. But let's look at this packaging. The packaging. Look at this. Gorgeous. Look at this. So I'm going to swatch these two on my finger. Look at this. Gorgeous color. Look at that. Very pigmented. And it stayed on all night. All right, let's move on. Now, this is also called the Phantom Kiss Lip Gloss Palette. Beautiful colors as well. I didn't use this one last night. It comes with a little brush. And look at the lip gloss. Really pretty. Look at that. So, I'm going to swatch a few of these colors. Oh, it's very soft. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm going to put it on so you guys can see. Look at this black. Very shiny, soft. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm going to hold it up a little bit closer. What do you guys think? Hopefully you guys can see that. Love it. Love it. I'm not a lip gloss type of gal, but with this palette, I think I'm gonna try it out and see how it works for me. All right, so this baby right here, you guys, this is a blush. Okay, when you open it and look at the packaging, let's not forget this packaging. It is gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Look at this. So it looks black, right? I know. Wait till I put it on. Here we go. Look at this. Beautiful. Like a blush color. It is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, very shiny, but not too much to where you look oily. Very cute. And wait a minute. So remember I showed you guys the highlighter. Here's the highlighter. Remember I showed you the highlighter. I'm going to go ahead and put this on over it. Look at that. Cute, huh? Gonna go ahead and do the other side. It is pigmented. Doesn't take much. Here's the other side. Love it. Can't beat it. Now, we can't go without black lipstick. I know there's a lot of people that love black lipstick. Let me swatch it for you. Here it is. Look how pigmented this lipstick is. It is dark. It is dark. Let's do it again. Here we go again. Love it. Now, you know we can't go without a gel eyeliner. They sent me 3. I'm going to go ahead and hold it up. Let me show you the packaging. Of course, it just, you know, this is the packaging. Beautiful packaging. Love it. And look at this color. Look at the shine, and it lasts all night. So you get shine and it lasts. Where can you get that? Love it. So let me go ahead and swatch this for you. Okay, well, let me go ahead and show you the other one. Here's the other one. Look at that. Gorgeous. And then you have it
Here's the definition of gorgeous. Beautiful. Very attractive.
That was Siri. So let's move on. I can't believe she interrupted my video, and I didn't even ask for her opinion. So let's move on. It kind of threw me off. Okay, so here's this gloss black eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this color. Very soft. You don't have to use too much. Not hard to get out of the packaging, as you guys can see. Very easy. You just have to stick it in lightly and put it on. All right, let's go to the next one. Next color. I love this. It's like a blush kind of color. So here we go. You guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see once I swatch this. Look at that. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay. See that? Nice. Let's swatch the other one. And here we go. The silver. Gorgeous. Look at that. Doesn't take much. Lightly. All you have to do is lightly just brush it across. Very pretty, long lasting, and very shiny. Can't beat it. All right, you guys, this wraps this video up. Thank you so very much, SHEGLAM, for sending me these items, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.